Oat milk is high in fiber, vitamins. It regulates blood sugar level and provides bone strengthening minerals. However, oat milk is not suitable for people with gluten intolerance or with celiac disease. Having said this, we will prepare basic non-slimy oat milk and non-dairy chai at home. Hello friends, welcome you back on my channel Simply Truth with one more simple and today a vegan recipe. Let's get started. First take 1 cup of rolled oats. Add these oats in a grinder. Now take 4 cups of water, that is 1 liter of water. Grind this mixture well over 2 to 3 minutes. Now, after grinding, we will sieve it. For this process, take any clean cheesecloth or cotton cloth. I would suggest to use a broader size cloth than what I have used here. I had to be extra careful as to avoid spilling. We will now start to milk this. In this process, we need to apply gentle pressure in top-down manner. If we apply pressure from downside, we might have to face huge amount of spillouts or bursts, which can create huge mess for cleanup. If we apply too much pressure, then the oats turn slimy, which we need to avoid. We can use this oat remains in oats porridge or cookies if you are preparing them within an hour or so, or else you have to discard it. Now I will pour this milk in the grinder again so that it becomes easy for me to pour it in a bottle. Our vegan non-dairy milk is ready. You can drink it as it is or with a dash of cinnamon and honey or sugar. It can be used up to 3 days when stored in refrigerator. You can use this in cornflakes or to thin out your oats porridge or batter of oats dosa. Wait, don't go away. We will now prepare oats chai or Indian tea to go with this oats milk. Take 1 cup of water in a pot. Bring this water to boil. Add 1 teaspoon of tea powder of any Indian tea brand of your choice. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Turn off the flame. Our decoction is ready. Pour it in equal parts in 2 cups. Always pour the tea using a strainer. Add sugar as per your taste. I have added 1 teaspoon in each cup. Now add oats milk. If you want your tea to be more hot, you can microwave it for 1 minute. This tea is just perfect and refreshing. You should give it a try. If you are already on a vegan journey, hope this video is of help to you. Thank you for watching. Hope you have liked it. See you again.